Well guys, this is the end of the Bachata Moderna Fundamentals DVD. We really want you guys to use these Bachata Fundamentals on your Bachata Traditional. And we look forward to see you on the second DVD where you're going to learn how to put this fundamental into combinations. Till next time.
Cuando se acabó, yo me fui triste, pero tú no. Te dije cosas.
Gosh.
I'm going to keep my feet behind my other feet.
Yeah, I forgot which feet was it.
Oh my god, you can spell feet. It's alright, we don't have to redo it, then we'll pick it up. Can you see?
No, I picked it up too, but like too late. Now I'm gonna cross on one.
That way.
Huh.
You fucked up, not me.
Now let's learn.
Let's learn the about that. Goody goody.